Okay, so I want to show you real quick what to expect after you've joined the self-paced Algebra 1 Bridge course. Again, remember this course is self-paced and self-guided. There is no teacher support during it, but there are plenty of video tutorials and other help such as hints throughout the assignments that will help you kind of guide through any struggles you have with this material. And always remember, any review you do is going to be beneficial, so even if you don't get through everything, or there's a couple concepts you struggle with, any gains you make in this are going to be definitely pay off throughout next year. So assuming you followed the link and joined the course, when you log into Khan Academy, you may see a screen like this or something similar. Easiest way to get to where you need to go is up here on the top right, click your name, and go to Learner Home. Under Learner Home, over on the left-hand side here, you're going to see Algebra 1 Bridge Self-Paced. If this is not listed, then you have not joined the course yet, and you're going to have to go back to the email that was sent and follow the link in there to join the course. Now, under Algebra 1 Bridge, you will have assignments. And this is going to have all your assignments for the course. Now, this updates after you have been enrolled in the course, so that first day you enroll, it may not be updated yet, but it will be updated shortly thereafter. If you do join a little bit later on in the summer, please email me at jpthomas@geneva304.org, and I can make sure that I do update that for you. Within each of these, basically, you can just follow the progression that's assigned. It's by week. Remember, the due dates are basically just guideposts to help you kind of stay paced throughout the summer. Since it is self-guided, you can move at a pace that works for you and your family. Once you're here, you just click start, and it's going to take you to first the video explanation, and then after you finish that, you can jump back, and the next one, it'll take you to a problem set. Problem sets are pretty quick. They're between 4 and 7 questions typically, and they're a quick reminder of some order of operation things that we have done. You can go ahead and type in answers as you go and check as we run through. If you don't get it correct, we can go down here and we can say get help, and that will provide some assistance. It will take you out to an explanation of this particular problem. And then we can go ahead and as we go through, we can continue to check. It'll give us some video links as well. So if I run back to the question, we can also choose to move on. But again, every problem is going to kind of have that structure where you have the opportunity to get assistance as you go through. I think you'll find if you watch the video tutorials, you're not going to have a lot of issues with the problem sets. They are very closely linked. Given that this is a review course, it is not a bad idea that if you're feeling comfortable on a topic to go ahead and jump to the problem set. It will typically be the second one in a list. So Intro to Order Operations is the video, and then we have the problem set. You can also see the difference between the little play symbol out in front and the asterisk. The asterisk are the problem sets. So if you wanted to, you could go straight to the problem set, see how you do. And if you have a struggle with it, go back and watch the video and then try the problem set again. This is all based around mastery learning, so you can try the problem sets as many times as you'd like. Do keep in mind that it's a review course, so you may not get through everything, and you may run into some struggles, but the key idea is any progress forward you make with this material is only going to be a benefit to you through next year. But that pretty much takes you through how to navigate on Khan Academy once you're enrolled in the course. I hope that helps. Thanks.